Smart power strips let you control each outlet independently. Ideal for desks, entertainment centers, and anywhere multiple devices need individual control. Here are the 5 best options in 2026. Number 1. Kasa EP40M. 2 individually controlled AC outlets plus 4 USB ports. Energy monitoring on each outlet lets you track exactly what each device costs. No hub required. Wi-Fi direct. Works with Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. The compact form factor makes it perfect for desk setups where you want to cut power to your monitor and PC separately while keeping your phone charger always on. Number 2. Meross MSS425E. 4 individually controlled AC outlets plus 4 USB ports. The standout feature is HomeKit compatibility, extremely rare at this price for a power strip. It works offline after initial setup via local processing. At around $25, it's the best option for Apple HomeKit users who want per-outlet control without paying a premium price. Number 3. TP-Link Tapo P306. 3 smart outlets, each individually controlled, plus 3 always-on outlets for devices that should never be cut. Matter compatible, which means it works natively with Google, Apple, Amazon, and SmartThings without any bridging. Surge protection included. At $30, it's competitively priced and notably future-proofed by the Matter standard. Number 4. Gosund Power Strip. The budget entry on this list. 4 smart outlets with individual control at under $20. Works with Alexa and Google Home without a hub. No energy monitoring and no HomeKit, but if you just need per-outlet scheduling and voice control at the lowest possible cost, Gosund delivers. Good reviews for basic use cases in areas like living rooms and bedrooms. Number 5. Kasa Smart Plug 4-pack. Sometimes 4 individual plugs is more flexible than 1 strip. You can distribute them around the room, not just in a linear strip. The Kasa EP25 4-pack with energy monitoring is excellent value at around $35. Better for setups where devices aren't clustered together, and each plug also extends your smart home's presence across more of the room. Smart power strips are ideal for entertainment centers and desk setups where multiple devices need coordinated control. The Meross is the best all-rounder, and the Kasa individual plugs offer the most flexibility. Follow for more smart home equipment tips every day.